Potty training made easy. 5 simple tips for parents and your little ones. Potty training can feel like a big challenge. And yes, sometimes even a little stressful. But here's the good news. You can do this. Here are 5 simple tips, and a little jingle at the end, to make potty training easier for everyone. Tip number 1. Timing is everything. Start when your child shows signs of readiness, like staying dry for a couple of hours. Also watch for interest in the potty. Picking the right time makes it easier for everyone. Tip number 2. Make it fun. Turn potty time into a positive experience. Use encouragement, stickers, or a small reward when your child tries. Even if they don't succeed at first, keeping it fun makes it easier for everyone. Tip number 3. Consistency is key. Sticking to a routine, like sitting on the potty at the same time each day, helps your child know what to expect. Simple, predictable cues, such as a favorite toy, like the duck on the shelf, remind your child it's potty time. Little signals make learning easier. Tip number 4. Teach with patience. Encourage your child to try at their own pace. Stay calm, and show them how to use the potty step by step. Offer gentle guidance. Praise effort over perfection. And remember, patience makes it easier for both you and your child. Tip number 5. Celebrate progress. Notice every step your child masters, no matter how small. Celebrating milestones boosts confidence and independence. And here's a bonus tip. Teach them to wash their hands every time they get off the potty, then apply plenty of soap. Wash again thoroughly, and dry their hands well. Small habits like this help build healthy routines that stick. A cheer, high five, or short jingle, we have one for you, makes potty training rewarding and easier for everyone.
Potty time is bright and fun. Try each step one by one. Remember timing, make it play. Celebrate progress every day. Potty time is bright and fun. Try each step one by one. Remember timing, make it play. Celebrate progress every day. Celebrate progress every day.
Thank you watching. Like, share and subscribe to Little Hearts Haven for more parenting made easier videos.